Hey everyone, Lee Train with StocksToTrade, Tim Bohen here. Today we're going to be talking about an amazing feature that's built into the platform. A lot of people don't necessarily realize this. We have built-in real-time chat in the platform. So you don't have to run a separate chat app. You don't have to run, WhatsApp or Telegram or any of these things. You don't have to have another browser window. We actually integrated it directly into the platform. Now, I'm going to touch on breaking news. FYI, we have a full video explaining what breaking news is. If you want more details, definitely check that out. Today, I'm more just showing you what the chat feature is, how it works, and how you get access to it. So if I hit this chat button, you can see that we have multiple live rooms. Okay, we've got the Steady Trade Pro room with me. That's all my small mentorship group focused on day trading and swing trading particularly. So that's a group that's on the platform. Breaking news is there. Again, I teased this a little bit. All of the most actionable real-time information comes through on breaking news, and it's done by two 25-year veterans, hedge fund analysts, only actionable information. Again, check out that other video, but you can see there's full breakdowns on what's moving stocks, why they're moving stocks. You can see SRRK just announced $275 million public offering of stock and pre-funded warrants. This was a huge runner today. They did the offering. You would know about it first. And what's great about all the chat rooms, and this is one of the best things about having it integrated in the platform, notice I have real-time price information next to the ticker. So if you're in a chat room or you're on Twitter, you're just going to see the ticker. This thing has real-time price information linked to the cash tag as well as the percent change on the day. And then this is the cool thing. I can literally just click that stock in the news and it opens up a charting window with my basics, my level 2, with my news, my order entry, everything. So if I'm like, whoa, that's actionable news, let's say JZK, all I have to do is literally just click that stock and I'm there. I'm right to it. And I can instantly trade that stock, research that stock, etc. That's the best part about having it built in, is now I don't have this chat window, and I know it's seconds. You might say, hey, how long does it take to watch this window, type the ticker into my platform? Listen, guys, when you're trading crazy volatile stocks, penny stocks that we trade, seconds matter. And being able to just to click it and get instant access to all the data that I need, including order entries, it's a game changer. It's a little thing, but little things add up over time. Then the other chat rooms, we've got Small Cap Rockets with Bryce Toohey. A lot of you guys might know Bryce Toohey. He's a great trader, made over $1 million trading these stocks. He runs a chat room. We've got an options trading room. We've got a stock tips trading chat room. And then we've got a consolidated room that you can basically, it gets a little busy, but the cool thing about the consolidated room is you can actually see all of the chat rooms in one room. Now again, it gets really busy, but if you're fast and you can read quick, you can actually see everything that's going on in all the chat rooms, all in line, all real time. So it's simple, but simple is good. Okay, I'm a big believer in the KISS method, keep it simple, stupid, and simply having it built into your platform, not having to launch apps or go here or minimize or maximize windows or go all over the place, and one-click access to the news. So like, again, you can see that breaking news is posting links, okay? Here's ASTS, had a link. I can just hit that link, instantly get the news loaded. I don't have to go looking around for what the link is or Googling the link or trying to find the information. Everything's just one click. Boom, boom, boom. And it might only save you seconds here and there, but when you're trading volatile stocks, it's a big change, and think about that over time. Seconds become minutes, minutes become hours, hours become days. When you've been trading 20 years like I have, simply having one-click access to all of this has probably saved me hundreds, maybe thousands of hours of time when you add it up all over multiple decades. So that being said, guys, if you're sick of watching multiple rooms, launching all these apps, minimizing, maximizing windows, trying to arrange them on your screen, you can get all of this built into your platform, and all you got to do, check out StocksToTrade. We'll put a link below. Everything's built in. It's a massive, massive time saver, and get you in front of the best trades as quick as possible.